Hello everyone. How are you all doing? I hope you all doing good. Okay, let us discuss about the interesting topic in the Asian period what exactly used to be happen. So, let us discuss about the Mughal empires. Yes, Mughal empires. In this Mughal empires there are the six people which who became a good, like a famous, like coming to the Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahajab and Aurangzeb. Actually, let us discuss about the Babur first. So Babur, he is the person who actually came from the other countries, Uzbekistan. Okay, so actually he belongs to Taimur family as well as the Mongolis family. But mostly Babur, he is not willing to say about Mongolis. Why? Because that Mongolis used to be very cruel, and even they used to eat they are the man eaters. So that is the reason mostly the Babur is not willing to tell about the Mongolis. Mostly he is a fan of the Taimur family, father's side. So Taimur, they used to be very kind to the people and very good people. So let us discuss about the Mughal era from 1526 to 1858. The Mughals ruled in India for more than 300 years. The Mughal Empire ruled most of India and Pakistan. Yes, obviously at that time Pakistan, Afghanistan used to be in India. After we got our independence, then we got separated. So see this picture exactly. Babur established Mughal Empire in 1526. So first he captured Delhi. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the Lodi dynasty, and then he started his reign, the Mughal Empire, in 1526. Okay, so the imposed structure of administration and ideas of governance that outlasted their rules, leaving a political legacy that succeeded ruling of the subcontinent could not ignore. So Mughals introduced many policies, many things. Okay, Mughals, when they are in the war, they used to use the cannons. Okay, so here this picture tell us clearly about the Mughal Empire, like how they captured complete India, because only because Babur liked India's climatic condition. See, the down part, complete south part is a sea, so there is a no way to enter into the Delhi. And Babur, he came from the small part of near to the Kabul. So from that way he came and he entered, he captured India. Okay, so this is the clear picture of the Mughal Empire. So he is the one, the Babur. He is belongs to Mongolis as well as he belongs to the Taimur family, and Babur is a great great person. He created